Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Mizoram. Number 1. Mizoram is a state in northeastern India. Number 2. Aizawl is the capital city of Mizoram. Number 3. It shares borders with Myanmar and Bangladesh. Number 4. Mizoram is known for its large green hills. Number 5. Mizoram has a high literacy rate. Number 6. Mizoram has a rich cultural heritage. Number 7. Mizoram became a full-fledged state in 1987. Number 8. The state has a low crime rate. Number 9. The official languages of Mizoram are Mizo and English. Number 10. The state is home to various tribal communities. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.